When you log into Foldr, you will see a folder called Documents, and this is a place where you can store all of your schoolwork. When we're in school, you'll be able to access these documents as well. The first thing that you should do is open your Documents folder and begin to create a structure where you can organise your work. You want to make your work easy to find. The first thing we're going to do is go to the plus button and make a new folder. And I'm going to call it Year 7. All of your work that you do this year will be saved in here. We're going to click into the folder and make a folder for each of the subjects that we study. You can find a full list of these in the document that you've already been given. I'm just going to make 3 for now. They will all appear next to each other in the folder that you made previously called Year 7. When you want to add your work to a folder, click into the folder you want to add it to, click the plus and upload. Find the files that you want and double click on them, and then they will appear in your folder on the school network. This means that when we return to school, you will have access to all of the work that you'd previously done at home in one place.